Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, you're very much welcome. So today I'll be sharing with us how I made this beautiful reversible flace skirt that you can wear either this way or this way. So if this is something you'll be interested in making, please keep watching, don't go away. If this is your first time here and you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Keep watching, don't go away. Welcome back, guys. So the first thing you want to do is get your skirt length measurement, and after that you're going to get your waist measurement. Those are the measurements that we will be working with. So my normal waist measurement is 30, but since this is a wrap skirt, I had to take the measurement around my waist, not twice, but let's just say 1.5. So I am actually using waist 44 for the wrap skirt. So after getting the waist 44, you're going to divide it by 3.14. My own waist is 44. Whatever you get for yours, you're going to divide it by 3.14. And then whatever you get, you're going to add it to the length of your skirt. You're going to add it to the length of your skirt. And then whatever you get is what you're going to be cutting out of the fabric twice. Let's say, for example, after dividing your waist measurements, you have, let's say, 6, and the length of your skirt is 10. That means 10 plus 6, that's 16. You're going to be cutting out 16. You're going to be cutting out 16 on your fabric folded. That would be 32 in length. Then you fold it into 2, and after folding it, you fold it again, which gives you this shape that I have here. And then the first thing you do is take out the measurements for the waist part that you divided by 3.14. What you get, you're going to measure it from the pointy area of the skirt. Then after doing that, you're going to now measure out the length of your skirt, which is going to give you the full length of this skirt. So if you're using an Ankara fabric, your fabric is not going to be enough at the lower part of the dress. So you have to cut out extra fabric to meet up the length of the skirt. So that is what I'm doing here. So this skirt is a reversible skirt. After cutting out that fabric, I went ahead and cut out another fabric, which is the blue fabric that you're looking at, and I also cut out the band for the skirt. So I have my band there, and I already went ahead and sewed my two fabrics together. It's just like you're using an Ankara fabric to line another Ankara fabric. So that is just basically what I did. And then I went ahead and joined the band. The side that has the color of the fabric will be facing the fabric, and the other side will also be facing the fabric that looks like it. So that is it, guys. Thank